Hi everyone, welcome back to MJ's Kitchen. How you doing? I'm doing fine. Happy spring again. Today I'm making Israeli chicken stew. And these are my ingredients here with a little Jamaican flair in it. So let's get started. These are my ingredients here. I have my chicken here, all washed and clean, and in it I have some salt and pepper already in it. I'm gonna add the rest of seasoning to it, which is Ms.Dash, ground garlic, ground ginger, pimento seed, soy sauce, and Worcestershire sauce. I cannot say that name. And I have sage, and I have paprika, cumin, and coriander. And these are onion, garlic, celery, and carrots. And I'm gonna put some diced potato in it also. And this is the cumin that I ground here. Get my oil going. Okay, I had my salt and peppers in here already. I'm putting cumin and coriander. I just eyeball everything, and I'm gonna add some Ms.Dash, some ginger. No, this is the garlic powder, some ginger. I love this. Sage, my Worcestershire sauce, whatever they call it, and my soy sauce. You gotta be careful with this because it's salty. Paprika. This is what give it that pretty color. Okay. Stand back, Marcel. Okay, Marcel. Okay, our chicken is finished browning. Adding back everything to the pot. Smells so good. Woo. Wow. Here, at this point we're gonna add our onion and garlic and save the carrot and celery for the last 10-15 minutes. We add our carrot, celery, and potato in it. And I forgot to tell you guys about our chickpeas here. Add chickpeas to it later. I'm using some of the water from the chickpeas. Ooh. See, we have our chickpeas to add to it. Here we're gonna add our vegetable. This is our and our celery. Then we're gonna add our beans. Oh, look like my pot is small. Adding our beans, and we're gonna add some butter. Yeah, we're adding some butter to that stew. And I forgot to tell you that we put pimento seed in it also. Here we go, guys. This is our Israeli chicken stew with a little Jamaican flair. Look at it. It is so yummy. Give them another look. Yeah. Okay. It's yummy. Okay, take care, guys. Thanks for coming into my home. Have a great day. God bless you. Peace and love.
Battery just died.
It died.